हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम बात करेंगे एक ऐसे टॉपिक पे जिससे आपकी लाइफ बदल सकती है। 6 फिगर पैसिव इनकम। क्या आपने कभी सोचा है कि बिना 9 to 5 जॉब किए भी लाखों कमा सकते हैं? फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम का सपना देखते हैं? तो ये आर्टिकल आपके लिए है। पैसिव इनकम मीन्स अर्निंग मनी इवन व्हेन यू आर नॉट एक्टिवली वर्किंग। इमेजिन दिस, आप वेकेशन पे हो और आपके बैंक अकाउंट में पैसे आ रहे हैं। Sounds amazing, right? In this article, we will discuss everything you need to know about building a 6-figure passive income stream. We'll cover different types of passive income, step-by-step guides, and actionable tips. So get ready to unlock the secrets of financial freedom. And don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Your engagement encourages me to bring you more valuable content. Kam karo, kamai hoti rahe. Passive income is like a money tree that keeps giving you fruits without you having to water it every day. It's about creating assets that generate income for you, even when you're sleeping, traveling, or spending time with your loved ones. Imagine having a regular job where you trade your time for money. If you stop working, your income stops too. But with passive income, you build systems and assets that work for you 24/7, generating income on autopilot. Now, building a passive income stream does require effort up front. You need to invest your time, skills, and sometimes even money to create these income-generating assets. But once set up properly, they can continue to generate income for years to come, giving you more freedom and financial security. There are countless ways to generate passive income. From traditional methods to modern digital avenues, the options are vast and varied. Let's explore some popular options that have proven to be effective for many people around the world. Affiliate marketing, promote other companies' products, and earn a commission on each sale made through your unique referral link. This method is great for those who have a knack for marketing and enjoy promoting products they believe in. Online courses and digital products. Share your knowledge and skills by creating and selling online courses, ebooks, templates, or software. This is ideal for experts in a particular field who want to monetize their expertise. YouTube channel. Create engaging video content and earn money through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. If you love being in front of the camera and have a passion for creating videos, this could be a lucrative option. Blogging. Share your thoughts, experiences, or expertise on a blog and monetize it through ads, affiliate marketing, or selling your products, services. Blogging is perfect for those who enjoy writing and have a specific niche they are passionate about. Real estate investing. Invest in rental properties to generate monthly rental income and benefit from property appreciation. This option requires a significant upfront investment, but can provide substantial returns over time. Dividend investing. Invest in stocks of companies that pay dividends, providing you with regular passive income. This is a great option for those who are comfortable with the stock market and want a steady income stream. The best type of passive income stream for you depends on your interests, skills, and investment capacity. It's important to choose something that aligns with your personal goals and lifestyle. Choose something you're passionate about and willing to put in the effort to build a successful business around it. Remember, building a passive income stream takes time and dedication, but the rewards can be well worth the effort. The first step towards building a 6-figure passive income is choosing the right path. This decision is crucial because it sets the foundation for your future success and financial freedom. Don't just follow the crowd or chase the latest trends. While it might seem tempting to jump on the bandwagon, it's important to carve out your own unique path. Instead, consider your interests and passions. What do you enjoy doing? Think about the activities that make you lose track of time and bring you joy. What are you naturally good at? Identifying your innate talents can help you find a path that feels more effortless and rewarding. Choosing a passive income stream aligned with your interests will make the journey more enjoyable and sustainable. When you love what you do, it doesn't feel like work. Skills and expertise. What unique skills or knowledge do you possess that you can leverage to create value for others? Your expertise can be a powerful tool in building a successful passive income stream. Identify your strengths and explore how you can monetize them. This could be through creating digital products, offering online courses, or even consulting. Market demand. Research. Different passive income ideas and see if there's a demand for them in the market. Understanding market needs can guide you towards more profitable opportunities. Choose a niche that has the potential for growth and profitability. A well-researched niche can provide a steady stream of income and long-term success. Once you've considered these factors, you can narrow down your options and choose a passive income stream that resonates with you. This thoughtful approach will increase your chances of success. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Each person's journey is unique, and what works for one might not work for another. The best path for you is the one you're most likely to stick with and succeed in. Choose wisely, and your efforts will pay off in the long run. Section 5, Step 2. Build a strong foundation. Mazboot Neev. After choosing your path, it's time to build a strong foundation for your passive income business. This involves market research. Deeply understand your target audience, their needs, desires, and pain points. This will help you tailor your products or services to meet their specific needs. Creating high-quality content. Whether it's blog posts, videos, courses, or social media updates, focus on creating valuable, engaging, and informative content that resonates with your audience. Building an online presence. Create a website or landing page to showcase your brand, products, and services. Utilize social media platforms to connect with your target audience and build a community. Remember, your foundation should be strong enough to support your future growth. Invest time and effort in building a solid base for your passive income business. Section 6. Step 3. Scale up for success. Bata Socho, Bata Kamau. Once you have a solid foundation, it's time to scale up your passive income business to reach those coveted 6 figures. Here's how: optimize for conversions. Continuously improve your website, landing pages, and sales funnels to convert more visitors into customers. This means conducting A/B tests to see what works best, refining your messaging, and ensuring that your user experience is seamless. The easier it is for potential customers to navigate your site and find what they need, the more likely they are to make a purchase. Use strong calls to action, offer irresistible value, and streamline the checkout process. Make sure your calls to action are clear and compelling, and that your value proposition is evident. Simplify the checkout process to reduce cart abandonment rates. Expand your reach. Explore different marketing channels to reach a wider audience. This could include social media platforms, email marketing, content marketing, and more. Each channel has its own strengths, so diversify your efforts to maximize your reach. This could include paid advertising, influencer marketing, collaborations, or joint ventures. Paid advertising can give you immediate visibility, while influencer marketing can leverage the trust and reach of established personalities. Collaborations and joint ventures can open up new opportunities and audiences. Automate and outsource. As your business grows, automate repetitive tasks and outsource certain aspects like customer support, content creation, or social media management. Automation tools can handle tasks like email marketing, social media posting, and customer relationship management, freeing up your time for more strategic activities. This will free up your time to focus on strategic growth initiatives. By delegating routine tasks, you can concentrate on scaling your business, developing new products, and exploring new markets. Scaling a business requires careful planning, consistent effort, and adaptation. It's important to set clear goals, track your progress, and be willing to pivot when necessary. Don't be afraid to experiment, track your results, and adjust your strategies accordingly. The business landscape is always changing, so stay flexible and be ready to innovate. With the right approach, you can achieve significant growth and long-term success. Section 7. Actionable tips for passive income success. Aaj hai shuru karain. Here are some actionable tips to help you on your passive income journey. Start small, think big. Don't wait for the perfect moment or try to do everything at once. Start small, focus on one step at a time, and gradually scale up as you gain experience and confidence. Be patient and persistent. Building a successful passive income stream takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Stay patient, persistent, and consistent with your efforts. Never stop learning. The online world is constantly evolving. Stay updated with the latest trends, technologies, and strategies. Embrace lifelong learning and continuously improve your skills and knowledge. And remember, your journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. Take action today, and don't let your dreams just be dreams. Section 8. Conclusion. Aapka future, aapke haath mein. Building a six-figure passive income is an achievable goal with the right mindset, strategies, and efforts. By choosing the right path, building a strong foundation, and scaling your business strategically, you can achieve financial freedom and live life on your own terms. Remember, the journey might have its challenges, but the rewards are worth it. So take action, stay committed, and never give up on your dreams. The future is yours to create. And before you go, don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Your support means the world to me and helps me reach more people who can benefit from this information. See you in the next video.